Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce you Heron Variable Tools, which is a very powerful Figma plugin that can help you manage your Figma variables efficiently. First of all, I'd like to introduce you the bulk editing feature. By using this plugin, we can bulk editing the variable scoping and the code syntax. So let's take a look at the scope of use first. Why do we want to change the scoping of variables? Because different variables will have different roles. For example, these 4 colors variables are generally only used for text colors. This means that we can only apply these 4 colors to the text and not use them elsewhere. So if you select a text and when you want to choose a color variable for it, you can see all the colors appears here, but we won't use these colors because they have the different role. We only use these 4 color variables. So let's open this plugin and select these 4 text colors, uncheck all scoping options, and then only check the text. Apply it. Also, we need to select all the other variables and uncheck the text option and apply it. Now, if you select the text layer, when you want to select a color variable for it, you can only see these 4 text color variables here. Also, you will notice that there are so many colors in the palette appears here, but we won't use these colors directly in our design. So we can also open this plugin and change it to the Pallet Connection and select all variables, uncheck all this scoping and apply it. So now if you want to choose color for a layer, you won't see the colors in the palette. That's useful. Now let's take a look at the code syntax. We can set the code syntax for each variable in different platforms. We often use CSS variable for web and uppercase for iOS and Android. Now let's apply it. After the choice we applied, open the variable model. So we can see the code syntax appears here. And if we change to dev mode, select a layer, we can see the code we select appears here, and the developers can click to copy it and use it in their code. That's very convenient for development handoff.